What connects French architect Paul Gourdet with the historical center of Almaty? Why is the Jarkent Mosque the single surviving work of Chinese architect on Pike? Where is Valikhanov's manor house City Mbiet located? Forgotten names and little-known facts, recent history and national color. All this is in the Grand Buildings program. Today in our program, Nikolsky Cathedral in Almaty as decorations for historical moving pictures. John Paul II and manuscript Bibles in Astana Catholic Temple. Armenian churches of Kazakhstan.
My name is Shanmati. I came from India to Almaty for studying in Arspandiyar University Medical. I came to church daily for praying. When I came to church, it would relax. It is a very big church, Balshoi. Compared to other churches, this is very beautiful. God's statues are very beautiful.
Students from India are frequent guests at the Nikolsky Cathedral. This place attracts them with silence, tranquility, and the opportunity to be alone with their innermost thoughts. Visitors are fascinated by the beauty and simplicity of the building. The doors of the church are open to everybody, regardless of religion, and it attracts many.
It's not about the religion, it's not about Jesus, Buddha, it's any problem. I like this church and we came here for to pray by make us holy and make peaceful in our mind. Yeah.
The history of Nikolsky Temple began in 1904. It was built during 4 years in one of the oldest squares of Verny, Zubovskaya. City residents donated the money for the erection of the temple. The author of the project was the architect Sergei Troparevsky, and engineer Andrei Zinkov supervised construction works, who was responsible for the construction of Verny. The temple was named Nikolsky in honor of Saint Bishop and wonder worker Nikolai. The same name was given to Zubovskaya Square in the nearby market.
After
the revolution, the square was named Proletarskaya, and in 1934, the square was named Kirovskaya. You know, this year a statesman, a well-known revolutionary Sergei Mironovich Kirov, was killed. Accordingly, the university was named after Kirov. The Kirov market was called that way. Later, this name was returned to Nikolsky Market or Nikolsky Bazaar.
Позже опять это название вернулось, Никольский рынок или Никольский базар.
Nikolsky Temple became the tallest building in the area of Zubovskaya Square, 5 times higher than the average height of pre-revolutionary buildings. Sharp spires of the bell tower created a unique image of the cathedral. By the way, Nikolsky Temple, like all churches of Verny, was visible from around the city. The building of Verny period city was mostly one story. Moreover, since it was the southwest of Verny city, it was almost the outskirts at this place and the city was ending there. At the southwest part of the city, this cathedral was crowning, towering over above all these one-story buildings. High seismicity had a significant influence on the image of Verny at the end of the 19th, early 20th centuries. At this time, local builders abandoned the stone and brick, preferring a tree. Like many other typical buildings of this era, Nikolsky Temple was built of Tian Shan spruce. Starting with the temple in the small village Nikolsky and then the Saint Ascension Cathedral. This was due to specifics of the material from which they were making, that is, log construction to log construction. These quadrangular frames, they are on top of each other and make 2 or 3 tiers, sometimes 4 buildings. In this case, seismic was naturally taken into account. However, local historians have their own version on this score. They believe that only part of the temple consists of a tree. The building is 2 stories, square in plan. The first floor is built of bricks and stands on a high plinth of rubble stone. granite multi-stage staircase highlights the central entrance. The second floor is a wooden log construction and the bells are already on the third level.
Второй этаж – это деревянный сруб. И третий уровень – это уже колокола.
Initially, the cathedral was 5-domed, but after the addition of a bell tower, 2 more domes were added to the building. In the architectural form of the structure, clergymen and church members see the symbols of the Christian faith.
Он построен в виде корабля, потому что все храмы строятся обычно по...
It is built in the form of a ship because usually all temples are built with the blessing of God, indicating the path to it. In addition, in the form of a ship, this means that everyone in the stormy sea escapes on the ship and goes to Christ. But then such additional buildings were organized on each side and the temple became like a cross. That is, it is cross-shaped.
Дополнительные по бокам, и храм стал похож на крест.
Considerable interest for local historians is the history of the temple's bell tower. It is noteworthy that large bells appeared here recently in 1988. They were molded on special orders in Russia. However, for long years, even small bells regularly performed their basic function. Their chime woke townsfolk during earthquakes, assembled church members at a difficult time for the church.
Вот здесь были отлиты колокола только в 1988
The bells were molded here only in 1988. Before that, there were small bells. And here we have now 10 bells, and they were molded in 1988 in Voronezh.
И отлиты они в 1988 году в Воронеже.
Experts consider the bell tower to be an architectural mystery. Art history PhD Yelizaveta Malinovskaya has been studying archives for pre-revolutionary construction for decades and sees as a part of another earlier structures in the bell tower.
Мало кто знает, но верхняя часть этого храма при переходе уже к этим главкам...
Few people know, but going to cupolas and where the bell is, the upper part of this temple is removed more from the early Verney churches because, as in many countries, they either buried the old temples or took this part, which existed and transferred to the new without destroying, and here the upper part of some earlier temple is removed.
И переносили на новый храм. То есть не разрушали. И вот верхняя часть, она как раз с какого-то более раннего храма снята.
For the century of its existence, the temple has experienced both ups and downs. Devastating earthquake in 1911, a revolutionary overthrow in World War II fell on it. In the period from 1929 to 1934, this cozy church wore the status of a cathedral. In those years, it became a shelter for exiled monks and found 2 waves of reprisals against clergymen.
Здесь жили монахини, здесь жили люди благочестивые, епископы, и они помогали.
Here lived the nuns, pious people. Bishops helped them. They did not have any sanitary conditions at that time. They came lousy and ragged, their clothes were dirty. They were treated here, and they were granted the great sacrament. And as it is said in history, the altar could not even accommodate people.
И как сказано по истории, что алтарь не вмещал даже людей.
For the expelled Holy Fathers, Nikolsky Temple became the last refuge. Moreover, for many people, it became a staging post in front of the campus of Karlag.
Прежде всего в этом здании это было подполье, и здесь в некоторых местах было только...
First, it was a crawl space in that building, and here was a small larder, where there was a warehouse and a small room where our clergymen came who left Russia. They were saved here. Fathers tried to hide them somehow.
Уезжали из России. Они сохранялись здесь. Батюшки их старались как-то спрятать.
From 1936 to 1945, the temple was closed. For some time, it housed the Museum of Atheism during the Second World War. The church was given to the military, and after that, they wanted to knock it down.
Из-за того, что улица сейчас
Because the street is called Kabonbai Batir now, and then it was called Kalinin, the temple got in the way. The street should have been existing immediately in a straight line. Nevertheless, by the grace of God, our temple has remained.
Эта улица. Но милостью Божией вот храм наш остался здесь.
An unexpected gift was given to Nikolsky Temple during the Second World War. Curiously enough, this was facilitated by Mosfilm Studios. It was then that dozens of unique icons were brought to the church. During the Second World War, Ivan the Terrible took down the pictures and many icons from Moscow because Mosfilm moved to Almaty, and here many icons had remained. Before this, icons were ancient, and after that they sacrificed icons to Nikolsky Temple too. A few years ago, the church survived the restoration and appeared before the church members in a completely renovated form. Now its ark is decorated with murals of archpriest Andrei Burdin, performed in a realistic style. He painted a temple in Siberia. Moreover, in northern Kazakhstan and Petropavlovsk. He painted Minusinsky Temple in Siberia, where Lenin and Krupskaya got married. It is a significant temple.
Ленин с Крупской. Вот, такой знаменательный храм.
The church artist worked for 8 long years. The work was completed only in 2010. And now Nikolsky Temple is rightly considered one of the most recognizable Orthodox churches in Almaty. Of course, the visibility of the temple depends not only on its external appearance, but also on the atmosphere and events that contribute to its appearance and becoming. These 3 tablets about the arrival of John Paul II in Kazakhstan were on September 22nd to 25th, 2001. And this is written in 3 languages here, Kazakh, Russian, and English, in memory of stay in our church and on the territory of Kazakhstan.
Память о его пребывании в нашем храме на земле Казахстана.
Cathedral Church in Astana is the only Catholic cathedral in Kazakhstan and one of the few in Asia that can boast a visit by Pope John Paul II. For the church members, it is a significant event. Adele Bublit has been serving here for 15 years. She did not attend the Pontifex's visit, but daily she feels the fact of his presence.
Тем более он сейчас причислен к лику святых.
All the more he is counted to the sainthood now. And now when we come immediately under the auspices, we have the patroness of our church, Mother of God of unceasing help, but the presence of John Paul II means a lot. It is very important that he came here. He was in this temple praying here together. This is a reminder to us that he was here.
Значит, что вот это есть нам напоминание, что он здесь был.
Since 2010, the courtyard of the cathedral is decorated with a monument to the Pope John Paul II of Italian sculpture's work. This is the first monument to Catholic saints in Central Asia. Catholic parish of Mother of God of Unceasing Help was established in the 1930s of the last century. Nevertheless, they did not have their own church. The first piles under the foundation of the temple building were nailed only in 1994. Moreover, in 1998, the first divine services were held in the new half-finished cathedral.
В 1988 году приехал отец Отто Месмер, первый настоятель прихода, и начал свою душпастерскую работу.
In 1988, Father Otto Mesmer, the first parish priest, came and began his pastoral work. He officially registered the community, and the city allocated a place for the temple construction, here where we are now. The construction was completed in 1999, and then Cardinal Joachim Miesner, who came from Cologne, Germany, illuminated the lighting of the church because there were many Catholics who moved from Astana, and they helped in the temple restoration.
Было довольно много католиков, которые раньше жили в Астане, а потом в 90-х годах переехали туда. И они помогали в строительстве этого храма.
A tiny museum located inside the cathedral keeps a memory of the deported Catholics and their descendants. In the period of persecution of the church, they kept faith despite all things. Among the exhibits are religious attributes and writings of saints.
Находятся там разные иконки, разные религиозной принадлежности, молитвенник.
In the museum, there are different icons, religious accessory, prayer books, and Bibles. Some are very ancient and some are written by hand. When there were no originals, then people rewrote and thus transferred their faith.
Люди старались так передавать свою веру.
The entrance portal is the visiting card of the cathedral. The doors made of natural wood are decorated with religious symbols. They attract with warmth and create coziness.
Первые двери были построены вместе с храмом, поставлены.
The first doors were installed together with the church in 1999. They were the simplest. However, they were also with glass in order to have light. But all this is completely different material of the doors. The real natural oak, beautiful glass with such a framing of the cutout and in the form of a cross in the middle is made. Here the cross stands.
Серединочка укрепляет вот такой. Здесь крест стоит.
Since the opening, the interior decoration of the cathedral has not changed radically, say Catholic nun Madeleine Hoffman. She has served in the temple for more than 10 years. According to her, during this time, only a few significant details were added to the interior of the church.
Поменялся главный витраж на центральной фреске или как кресте.
The main glass painting on the central fresco and the cross was changed. Previously, it was just a window and our eyes fell on the street. Now it is a glass painting and they were changed on the side altars. They put the icons of John Paul II and the Holy Apostle Andrew, and their saints placed their relics, as well as the windows were changed and they put the frescoes.
Мощи святые. Также поменялись окна и поставили фрески. Сейчас мы находимся на хорах.
Now we're on the choirs. In every Catholic church, there are choirs where there is musical accompaniment. That is, we have here a pipe organ. The choir is gathering and it accompanies the Catholic worship.
Этот хор сопровождает богослужения католические.
The pipe organ in the cathedral appeared right after construction. The classical sound of this majestic musical instrument accompanies every divine service.
И кроме органа,
Besides the pipe organ, we have guitars and a synthesizer. In general, we have an organist here and she sings on daily worship services. Here the choirs are sung on big holidays.
хор у нас поется по большим праздникам.
Иконы крестного пути Иисуса Христа начинают.
Here is the icon of the way of the cross of Jesus Christ, from the first standing to the 14th, from Jesus' condemnation to death. And before his burial, there were icons of the old type. They were just on cardboard. They were faded and dark, but after renovation, they became lighter and were placed under the glass.
А вот после обновления их делали посветлее и поместили их под стекло.
This bright, airy, and at the same time quite strict church, made in pastel colors every year, attracts more and more church members. By the way, in June of this year, exactly 18 years have passed since the day of the cathedral's illumination.
Наш храм в стиле модерн, современный стиль.
Our temple is in modern style and it has changed a little since construction. However, it has a pleasant climate for everybody who enters the temple. It is cozy, it is nice to pray here, and I think it attracts.
Для всех, которые заходят, очень такой уютный, здесь хорошо молиться, и думаю, что этим привлекает.
The temple can tell not only about faith, but also the culture of the people who created it. A vivid example is the Church of Saint Karapet, the first active Armenian living in Kazakhstan. Its story began in year 2005. The temple was built in the Zhelezno-Dorozhny district of Almaty, where immigrants from Armenia have been living since the 30s of the last century.
Это поселение, оно сохраняет прочность традиций.
This settlement preserves the strength of the traditions. They decided to raise money and build their own temple at the cultural center. For those who do not know, in many ways the Armenian church is very similar to the Orthodox Church, but this is another branch of Christian church. With the similarity of holidays, rituals, and so on, This church is called the Catholicos of Armenians.
Праздников, там, ритуалов и так далее. Эта церковь называется Католикос армян.
Saint Karapet is a character of Armenian mythology. He is like the tear god, the patron of the arts. Karapet gives people the ability to music and poetry and brings luck in field events. The project, the size and type of the future structure were chosen from books. They consulted with architects primarily from Armenia.
Нашел книгу разных видов церквей.
I found a book of different kinds of churches. Moreover, I found the church of Saint Karapet there. In addition, I admit I am the same Karapetian, and I think probably our ancestors were connected there. And according to this form, I appealed to our design institutes and we began to design it.
И начали мы его проектировать.
During construction, seismographic features of the region were taken into account. Temple's architects were guided by the experience of building churches in the mountains of Armenia. Because our designers did not know this earlier, it was told to us in Armenia that we need to put 1 to 7. We all laid it out according to the project. You cannot imagine, here we have pictures and we are all standing together. The old people gathered and we began to pour concrete for a foundation. Everybody was wondering why we needed so much reinforcement. Here it seems that the building does not carry anything on itself. The temple project and building materials had to be adapted to Kazakhstan realities. In Armenia, the churches are built only of tufa, the national stone. However, it was economically unprofitable to deliver a stone from its historical homeland in Almaty. Therefore, Kazakhstan marble and granite were chosen for construction. Only holy stone, Khachkar, was brought from Armenia. They remember with a smile about the difficulties of delivering the shrine to Kazakhstan a decade after the memorable event.
И не поверите, мы его, этот Khachkar, привезли с Армении. Он весом 1,5.
You will not believe, but we brought this Khachkar from Armenia. It weighs 1.5 tons. It was delivered by plane. There were 3 attendants, so many papers, documents. Honestly, we spent a lot of money. Much time spent on order and negotiations. It must have been harder than building a church.
Пока заказали, там, в общем, короче говоря, это, наверное, тяжелее было, чем церковь построить.
Khachkar is literally translated as cross stone. It is a kind of Armenia architectural monuments and shrines. It is a small stele depicting a cross. In Armenia, there are several thousand of such monuments, and each of them has its own unique pattern. By the way, in 2010, the art of Khachkar's creating was included in the list of masterpieces of UNESCO's intangible cultural heritage.
Есть церковный Khachkar, который есть Khachkары, где можете на склоне горы, где-то у дороги.
There are church Khachkars which you can install on the mountainside near the road in memory of some events, and it is normal. The church Khachkar should be at the entrance to the church from the east side, where the priest comes in. And those who come to prayer service, they come from the west side. It is our Armenian church peculiarity.
Там, где вот священник заходит с восточной стороны.
Painting of the ceiling and walls according to the canons of Armenian Apostolic Church was performed by artists from Yerevan. The work took about 6 months. I slept with them a few nights when they were painting all of this on the ceilings. You know, it is very difficult to draw something, such a form on the ceiling. I'm not an artist. I was proud. I admired. The church of Saint Karapet was built in just 1 year. Already in 2006, the temple was dedicated. The head of Novo-Nakhichevanskaya and Russian Diocese of Armenian Apostolic Church, Bishop Yervas Nersisyan, visited Almaty and made a verdict. Everything corresponds to the church canons in the living.
Церковь небольшая. Она
The church is small and it does not represent great artistic value. This is most likely a historical and cultural phenomenon. But the church is constantly visited. The entire Armenian population loves this church. This national diaspora visit the church. It is like a shrine for them.
этой диаспоры национальной, она для них как святыня.
It is noteworthy that the mention of the first Armenian chapel in Kazakhstan goes back to 1880. It is located in the Mangistau region in a city called Fort Shevchenko. To date, it does not work, but Armenian diaspora plans to restore the chapel and renovate its former splendor. It is difficult to count the number of churches, cathedrals, and temples of various confessions in Kazakhstan. However, they all have their own architectural features and unique coloring.